Anytime now, racing fans, and the up may dating, running in between runners, Jacqueline's Diamond. The reason why, moving up by the rail, Denari outside, King Rick, followed by Remind Me. Never Say Goodbye, Golden Boss is running in between runners. Then next in line, Blue Material and Windy Hour is running at the tail of the field, past the 900 meters. The reason why now takes the lead by a half length, running on the outside is May Dating in between runners, Jacqueline's Diamond. Never Say Goodbye by the rail, King Ricky Sari outside, Remind Me. Golden Boss Sari outside as they race at the last 600. Two runners keep on partying out for the lead. The reason why, May Dating on the outside, King Rick, then followed by Jacqueline's Diamond and Golden Boss as they turn for home. We have 5 runners partying out for the lead. The reason why, May Dating, Never Say Goodbye, King Rick is already outside. King Rick now moving up to take the lead. Running in second, May Dating, The Reason Why, Never Say Goodbye. With 100 to go, King Rick by about 3 lengths. And finally, King Rick, May Dating, The Reason Why, Never Say Goodbye, Jacqueline's Diamond, Golden Boss. Then comes Blue Material, Windy Hour, and Remind Me.
Nako, magandang forecast